Well, so we have a train here at State Route 61. I know, you can see that sign that says Junction 2. The signal's just now lit up. Green and red and a red. Daddy, it's just right there. Hurry. Get over here by the South Depot Road. It's not the road name of this road. This is State Route 61. Right outside of the South Depot.
South Depot Road. This is our Sunday extravaganza, folks.
February 26th.
On this February 26, 2023. And there you go.
You told me he was 3 miles out.
Roll it.
Daddy, how far was the train? Only about a mile?
Yes.
Oh, now the crossing became quiet.
I think he's moving out. Let's see if he's booking.
Wait a second, I'm hearing both horns.
I'm hearing,
2 horns.
you're hearing the Cleveland District probably.
No. Oh, yes, look.
Oh, wow.
Here comes another one. What? There's another one coming. What? Can the cars
allowed to do that?
Can the cars move? I know. They can actually both go very fast if they want.
Yeah.
On this main line, yes. Well, you don't know about the other one yet. But I literally heard the horn for that one too. Well, not really a train meet, all right. Not yet. This is gonna be a problem. You wait and see what happens. It'll be a what? Oh no. Well, there they go. I don't know for how long.
Probably for a couple hours.
No, for a few seconds, I would say. Because I know there's another one coming, and they're gonna go, and they're gonna go right back down. What? Hear that horn down the track? Well, I did hear another horn. I hope I do not walk up here and the gates go back down. But that's what it sounds like. What is actually what? Ah, man! Daddy, there's another one coming. Train meet, all right, folks. Say it.
Train meet, all right, folks. Just when you thought it was safe to go back home.
And then it was like, I know. Here in Ceylon, Ohio, Ceylon.
Now, is this really Ceylon, Ohio, or is
Yes.
this considered Erie something else?
No. What? What?
amazing.
Also known as Autoracks.
And Autoracks, yes. Well, they can haul chickens.
Which I bet they won't. Okay, so that's it.